Thank you for visiting us today. Presenting a pre-owned 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan SE. This four-door van has a 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter V6 engine, with front-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Dodge is a great value with less than 39,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 17 miles per gallon in the city, and 25 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include anti-lock brakes, cruise control, keyless entry, power steering, power windows, power door locks, stability control, and traction control. Call for an appointment today.